Hello my dear friends, can you hear me? Just leave some comments and we will start. Just a few seconds. I hope you can hear me right now. Okay, you can hear me and you can see my screen, so awesome. So we can start. Hello again guys, I hope everything is alright and you can spend like 40 minutes to join my stream. And what we will talk about today, actually today I'm starting the new project, this simple project. It's nothing special because all the special things I will post on my channel. So here is like talking video, you know, but still I will do something interesting. So as you can see, I'm now using the Revit 2020, so I'm switching off now to the 2020 Revit, and now I will use the only 2020 Revit, and I suggest you use this Revit tool. Okay, the next thing, what about stream today? Actually I'm planning to create some interior, some room, but it's not just a room. We will create a bit, we will go to the out of the boundaries, you know. We will create like something like a cyber room. It's like, let's say Revit it's not only for today, Revit is only for future, right? And today we will start to create this room. Actually this stream I will more concentrate on this window. We will create it fully parametrical and we will place it on our project. So if you are interested in that, so please welcome. If not, it's okay, you can join to the other, for example, the next week my tutorial. Okay, so I think enough talking and we can start this tutorial today. So if you liked this idea, you can just tap the like, just write some comments. It will help to me a lot, really. So but we will start it. As you can see, actually this room you already understand from which the game this room. If you understand, just please write this the name of this game. If not, some people will write, it's okay. What about what interesting here, because here we have like different shapes and not standard different shapes. As you can see, even the cyberpunk, right? As you can see here we have the different shapes, as you can see, and so I'm feeling like I'm Keanu, you know. We have different shapes, not standard different shape, but still this shapes, it's simple. As you can see, even this window, it's really simple shape, right? But we should think how we can create it. It's not just only the one frame here and the one frame horizontal done. Here we have like a lot of the things, right? As you can see, even if you will have a look on this corner, we have here the fillet. So and we will do all these things, and I'll show you how we can do that. If you have a look, for example, even for the bedroom, right, it's not also the simple, it's not only the square. If you see, we have like some air condition here, something we have here, right? So we can combine it. Even the wall panels we have here. So all these things I'm planning to create in my streams, so I can spend time, I can talk with you, and we can do it together actually. Of course I will do a lot of the mistakes because I'm doing it right now in front of you, and maybe I will do some mistakes, but it's okay. Anyway, we will do this, I think in 3 streams we will finish all this interior. Let's have a look here. For example, here we have the some like shading devices, right? Also you can make it, it's not so hard. Also we have here the kitchen. Kitchen, it's even this is cyberpunk 2077, but anyway the kitchen looks like it's some modern one, right? Nothing special, but some of the shapes, for example this table, it looks interesting. I mean the corner of this table. Okay, now you understand what I wanna do in this tutorial, and let's get started. So I will put this pure ref on my other screen, and I will start to create it. So as always, I will create the new project. Guys, don't mention about the template file, because if you are not working, for example, in large company, doesn't matter which template file you are using. Soon I will show you how you can create your own template file. Anyway, you can find below this below all my videos the free template, and you can use it. Okay, I will use the architecture one. Let's open up and let's start to create it. As you know, I have only the sketches. I have only arts, and I don't have any dimensions, so that's why I will I will do everything just approximately, you know, all the sizes for room and everything else I will do only approximately. Okay, so the first thing, we wanna create our box, our room. Let's have a look. I will start from this part, from where is that? My puref. Here's my puref. I will start from this part. Okay, this looks like a working space and some living space with the bed. It's okay. So let's start from the walls, and where's my walls? My walls here. Don't forget about top constraint to the level 2, and let's do it. For example, let's make it for now we will do like 3.5 meter. We will change it later on. Now I just wanna get the shape. Okay, this will be like our first shape, because I can see this like a box going here. Let's see here. It's that door. Okay. Thank you, Ben. This all sketches from the Ben Watts. He did really very nice work. Let's make it like this. Maybe here we will do 2 meter. Okay, and let's check it out. Where is my kitchen? This is most important question. Okay, we're going like this, and kitchen not looks so big. If, for example, here 500, so this is like maybe 3 or 4 meters, something like that. Okay, let's make it. So I think this is a really interesting topic. I don't know what you think, guys, about that, but I found it really interesting, because every time we're creating something already familiar, you know, but this one is out of boundaries, you know. So let's make it here the 5 meter, something like that. And here we have also some small room. Where is the picture? Here, the small room with door. And of course you can see the door, right? A door also looks like standard one, but we have like here the corners, fillet corners. We will do that too. Okay, so no worries about that. Like this 2 meter, and like that, and like that. I will check it out. Yeah, it looks something like that. So we will leave like this now. Later on we will change it, because again, as I said, this is only sketch. I don't have any dimensions. Okay, here and here we have only not enough. Let's make it here at least, I want here 2 meter. Okay, at least 2 meter, and let's do the same thing here. I said, oh, every time I'm using not right joysticks. And 2 meter too. Okay, it's awesome. So we did our walls, and now we will start to understand where is our window, and actually we will spend all the time to create window today. Okay, let's check it out. Where is my window? My window is here, right? So window looks like it's half of the room, right? If we look here, and maybe this panel it's around 700 millimeters. I mean the distance, it's 700 millimeters. So it means 1400 millimeters from the right side. Okay, let's check it out. I will use I'll use the reference plane. It's okay. And let's check it out. Okay, 1400 millimeter. Oh, again I said no, it's not looks like 1000 for we should do smaller. Sorry guys, first I need to create the right dimension. After that we will continue. Okay, let's make it here 5600 millimeter. Yeah, and this one will be only 2500 millimeter. Okay, now it looks more right. Let's go to 3D, and where's my door? Here is my kitchen, and here will be my window. Okay, and let's make it window. Of course, you can create from the zero your window, or you can modify some window what you already have. We will create from the zero, so you should go to the file, find here the new family. Let's open up, and here I need the window. So let's go to the down, and you will find the metric window. Here, let's open up, not with trim, we need just a window. Let's open up. Now we are creating the family. Now I will go to 3D, and you can see here we have, if you will use the tab key, we have here the one thing, it's called opening cut, and straight away delete it. We don't need opening cut. I think like 40 or 50 minutes, not much, not much than 40 minutes. So if you don't have the time, guys, you can have a look later on, so it's okay. Okay, so here we are on the 3D. You just should delete the opening. It's okay. Hello Rufus, long time. And let's go now to the exterior view. So let's go to the exterior view, and now you can see our supporting lines. Actually, I need one more supporting lines because our window is have the shape like a cycle, right? I'll show you. And we should understand where is the starting point. So if we need the starting point, of course we need one more supporting line, because here we don't have it, right? Let's go to the reference line, and let's create one more reference line. I will use dimension now. Let's use dimension between two of this line, and let's make it equal. Done. We know where is our middle point, right? Okay, but one thing more. We should control this dimension too. Let's make dimension again. Let's make it like this, and let's make it equal to. Okay, and we need to understand how its bigger will be. Okay, now we all the dimensions have. Okay, so we have the height and we have the weight. Actually, we need only height. Okay, so what we're gonna do next? Before we will start to draw our window, we will create the parameters. Okay, this parameter will be equal to the height, and we cannot do like that. You know why? Because we need create it like this. Labeling dimension over the sketch. Oh, this is my mistake. I'm sorry. Sometimes happen with me. Dimension. That one. Oh, over sketch. I don't want to do that. Okay. Anyway, we will. Okay, we have already this dimension, but I don't wanna use this one. Let's find it. I think it's under interior. No, it's not under interior. The left side, right side. I will go to the exterior. Maybe it's on the plan. Yes, it's on the plan. Let's change this dimension to the height. Why I changed this one to the height? Actually, I will show you right now. Let's say I will close all the windows and I need only exterior. Because if I will change height, if I will change distance between two of this line, these two lines should have the same dimension. So I will show you right now. Let's see. If I will change height here, for example, to 2100 millimeters, it will be changed everywhere because we have the cycle. All the sides will be same distance. Okay, so now we did everything. So let's create our void. I'm not using the opening because you cannot using opening and void in the same geometry. So this is the problem. Let's create our void. I need void extrusion. Now I will use the cycle, and I'm not drawing now exactly on the right side. I'm drawing somewhere here, like this. It's okay. Now select your cycle. Let's create here dimension. Select your dimension, go to the label, and let's write the R. Oh, I want a big R, like this. And let's make it instance or type. Let me think. Let's leave it like a type. Okay. So now R is equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay, awesome. And after that, just say OK. Let's go to 3D view. I'll change to the shaded one. And what we're gonna do now? Now you can see not any cuts here. It's okay. We first will change our geometry. I will do like this. You will understand why. Let's use align tool. Now as you can see, I'm using the align tool, and let's align this corner to this corner and lock it. And the same thing here, this corner and this lock it and lock it. Okay, and after that go to the cut and cut this wall and that one, and we get the hole. Awesome. It's not finished yet. What we're gonna do now? Now we need create the one more parameter, because when we will change the size, our height should be equal to R. So it means just copy this name and make it equal. Okay, it's okay. Of course it's now totally big. Let's make it 700 millimeters only. And now it's working like this. Okay, let's go back to the our plane and our exterior view, and let's go back to inside to this family, to this void. Let's go into let's edit it. Select this this cycle, and under the properties, check on center mark visible. Now we can see where is the center mark. Now again use command align this line, lock it, and align that line. I said lock it, and that line, lock it. Let's say okay, everything alright. So let's see. Oh, I can see the one thing. Actually, our dimension, it's not the radius, it's the. We should make like this. Double one. Let's apply. Oh, sorry, it's my mistake. Not we should divide it. Hello guys, can you hear me? Is it working or no? Can you write something? I think this internet it's so badly. I'll change now. Okay, thank you, Dennis or Denise, I don't know how to write. Thank you, and I'll continue. Thank you guys, because when you're so silent, I not understand my streaming is going or no, because the YouTube saying like we have some troubles. So it's like this. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Now we get the void, everything okay, and what we're gonna do next? Actually, what I wanna do. Let me think. Next. Okay, let's do the other thing. We already finished our void, and now I wanna make some extrusion around this this boundary. Let's go to create, and we will go now to 3D view. Yeah, we will work now on 3D. And where is my exterior? I think exterior here and interior here. Okay. And now I will use the sweep, but not just solid sweep. I will use the sweep void. Let's use the sweep void, and we will use the pick the path. And let's pick this path. As you can see, now we pick this path, this cycle. Let's go to the left view, because now I want to create some profile. Let's say okay. Let's create the profile. And let's draw it. I will change the view to the wireframe because I cannot see anything. And now I will draw something like that. If you want, you can do this parametric, but I will leave as it is, you know. Okay, we will do like that. I will use the trim. And after that, I'll check the fillet arc, and I'll do hello sir, please upload the live. Yeah, of course. All my streams you will find later on in the same day. Sorry, I already tired to speak. Okay, let's make it 20 millimeters. Let's check it out. Yeah, 20 millimeters looks okay. And don't forget to lock the profile, because if you will change the dimension, for example, if you will change this one, the profile will also change. Let's say maybe 40 millimeters will be okay. Yeah, 40 millimeters is perfect. Let's leave it the 40 millimeters. So let's finish our profile and let's finish our void sweep. Okay, we did it. I will change again my warframe mode to the shaded one, because you wanna see what's going on. And let's cut it. Let's cut from this wall to that one. And ta-da! We get this kinda nice shape inside. So if we will check this this art, you can see we get something like a fillet, but here the straight fillet. I don't like the straight fillet, sorry guys. We will make some additional changes here. I like when the fillet is going like arc. So, and we did it. As you can see, now it's working perfectly. I tell you more. Now we will load inside to the project, and I'll show you how it's working. Let's load this family inside to the project. It's not finished yet, of course. It's not finished. We just finished only the void, and let's place it somewhere here. Okay, we did it. Let's check it out. I will change my view to the shaded one, and as you can see, this is working perfectly. I'll tell you more. If you will change the thickness of your wall, this window will follow it. So let's change it. For example, now it's 200 millimeters only, and I'll change it to 300. And as you can see, it's following, and the corner it's also the following. So pretty cool, right? So you can combine it. Don't forget, if you wanna use some void forms inside your family, you should delete the opening, because you cannot create opening in the same geometry with the voids. So don't forget about that, okay guys? So let's go back. So it's working, we can see. I will go back and let's continue to work with this family. Let's go to the exterior view of this family, and we need to create now some additional things. Okay, I will prepare all these things, and we need we need now create the panel. What I'm talking about, as you can see here, we have the panel. We will create it right now, because here we will create this panel, this kind of panel, and here we will build the other panel. So let's do it. Let's go back, and I will do the panel here. I prefer actually to create a new family. Let's create the new family. And we need the family generic model. Let's find the generic model. Generic model, as you can see, it's nothing, just generic model, just the simple template. Let's open up it and change the view to the back. Let's change the view to the back. Done. So what we're gonna do now? Here will be our middle point, and now I will do some extrusion. Let's make extrusion. I will do it something like this. Doesn't matter how. Let's use dimension line. Dimension from this one to this one, let's make it equal, and from that line to that line, let's make the size. Let's say this will be W. And parameter, it will be instance. Don't forget, now it's instance, not just a type. Let's say okay. Okay, done. The same thing I will do for this side. This will be equal, and this will be type parameter H, the height. Okay, and we need also one more parameter, the parameter called extrusion. So the simple one, right? So let's write here, and we need the new parameter and X, and let's make it instance 2. Let's say okay. Let's say okay, and let's finish it. Hello, hello. Say hello to him. So let's make it square one. I will make like one, let's say 3 meter by 3 meter. Apply. Okay, awesome. We get something like that. now we need here actually create the hole, because we need connect now this panel with our window. It's two different families, so we will connect it together. How we can do that? Let me think. Yeah, I don't have idea. Just give me a second, because actually we have, let me show you. Here we have like default sill height. So, and this is default sill height sometimes will be different, right? It's not will be always exactly from this middle, the same distance from that part to that part, and that part. It will be sometimes different distance. So, and that's why I should think about the sill height too. Let me think. Now I did this part, it's working, but I need also the sill height. Yeah, done. I know how to do that. Let's go to back view, and this is I will leave as it is. Actually no, I will modify it. Let's go inside to extrusion, and this one we not will make equal. No, it's not will be equal. We will make it instance like this. So I need only a line, this line, and lock it, and I need dimension line again like this, and that one will be H. Okay, now this is what I want. Let's say okay, and let's make it void here. So for that one I need some reference plane, of course. Without reference plane I cannot do anything here. Let's create some reference plane. Where's my reference plane? One, and the second I already have here. Let's unlock it. Let's extrude. Okay, I will use dimension line, and that one it will be sill height. Let's create the new and SLH, and let's make it instance. Okay, done. Now we can manipulate with this height too. Okay, awesome. So what we're gonna do now? Now actually I want to create the void here. Let's do again the void extrusion. Again we will use the cycle. Again I will create it somewhere here near with this intersection, and after that I will select this cycle. I will create the parameter. This parameter will be new one, and we will call it like the frame radius, and let's say the instance. Let's say okay, and let's say okay again. So we don't need anything here. Let's go to 3D. One thing what I wanna do, I want to create actually the align, but how I can do align if my extrusion it's already working? So let's do this together, guys. I will do like this, and after that I will connect it back like this and lock it just by these joysticks and lock it. So now it's changing, as you see. Okay, awesome. Let's go back again to the back view. Let's go back to the extrusion, and now we will select again our profile, and we'll say center visible point, and now we will align it. Let's align it, and let's align it. Okay, done. So now we can manipulate with sill height. Where's my sill height? Here. Let's say 500mm only. So this is not working, so we should think about it. So let's think about it. So actually it's working. Yeah, this is Revit. I like it. So as you can see, it's working. We no need to think about it. Let's go and let's load now this family inside to our other family with our window. I will load it inside. Okay, here we are. I will go to 3D view. Here is my 3D view, and I will connect it somewhere here. So we will think about now. We will think about it now. Okay, now I need the plan view. Let's go to the plan view. Here is my exterior, here is my interior. Let's connect interior side to the exterior side and lock it. And now I wanna connect this one to that one and lock it. So it will be exactly on the middle. Let's go now to the 3D view, and let's think about let's go to interior or exterior, I don't know. Let's go to the interior. Yeah. So First, I want default sill height will be equal to this one. So let's go sill height here. Let's make the parameter default sill height same. Okay, the parameter is now same. I hope so. Let's check it out. Default sill height, where is that? 800 millimeters. Let's make 900 millimeters. Here is working, here is not working. So we should test it out. But actually it's working. But it's I think it's not working in family. So let's check it out here. No, it's working here. I think the distance it's not from the level side. So let's make it from the level. And here I will make the sill height. Okay, let's make it again. Let's check it out here. 900 millimeters. Apply. So it's working. Let's load inside to the project. Overwrite. Yeah, working. Okay, so and let's change now to the sill height too. Not changing. Interesting. Where is my sill height? Let's check it out one more time without any parameters, and I will write here 1500 millimeter. Working. Interesting. Okay, I will do like this. Frame sill height. And I will make it type 1. Type 1. Let's go to the parameters. Where is my default? Default my here. I will copy it. Where is my sill height? Here. Let's apply it. Let's make it like this. Oh, guys, it's my stupid. So, sill height it's not the middle of this point. Oh my god, sorry guys. Okay, this is everything alright. So what we're gonna do? Actually, we have 900 millimeters. This is totally right. Next, we should divide height to the height. So what I'm gonna do actually? We should make the like this plus height divide 2, and let's check it out. So maybe heights divide by 2 plus. Okay, I don't like this Revit standard tools. Where is my notepad? So I need notepad. Here is my notepad, and we will write everything on the notepad. Okay, so to get result we should this one, let's copy it, this one plus brackets the height divide by 2. So this is our formula. Done. Now it's, as you can see, it's exactly on the place. So it was my mistake, I'm sorry, but as I said, I will do a lot of the mistakes because this is video I'm doing really the first time. I'm doing this project really first time. Okay, so let's select this one, and we have like extra few parameters, right? So we have the frame R, this is our radius from our frame, and we have the here radius too. Let's select, and as you can see, pretty excellent. And we have the height of our we don't have actually height of our wall. So what we can do actually, let's say I'll try like this. No, like this we cannot do. So this will be manual. So to create it manual, I will create the new parameter and let me do it instance height panel. No, frame height. Okay, and it will be instance. We will do it manual, it's okay. And also we have W. W also will be manual, so let's make it. Frame, W, manual, let's say okay, done. Let's go to 3D view again and let's check it out. As you can see, we get a result like this. Actually, I wanna make one more cheat. We did here the nice extrusion. I don't wanna lose it, right? So, and our distance is now exactly the radius now exactly what we have inside, right? We will change it. We will say like frame radius, and frame radius will be equal. Where's my frame radius? Will be equal r minus 55 millimeter. So this is what I want, and that one frame radius I will change to the frame radius. Oh, plus, sorry, not minus, plus. Let's say okay. So done. Oh, the other side. Why you didn't say me about that, huh, guys? Let's go to the right. I will use a line. This one to that one. I remove and lock it. Let's go back to 3D. And let's make it a bit less the thickness. 250, it's too much. Let's make it only 25 millimeter. So as you can see, we get the panel. So now we can divide this panel. We can make a lot of the things, like for example, we can divide the panel. We can make some, I don't know, like separate parts. So a lot of the things we can do now with this panel. And it will be separate family I mean. So let's load it inside to our project and let's check it how it's working. Let's load inside to the project. Let's overwrite. And as you can see, it's working perfectly. But only the one thing, we should now move it by hand. I mean, we should now manipulate only with this data manually. But it's okay, it's not a problem. So if you want, for example, dimension with like I don't know, like 6 meter or maybe 4 meter, you will write the manually. Okay, even later on we can make the separate part, like left side or the right side, because now it's going like equal, you know. If you make like if you want to make like 400 millimeters, so you should do it separate one. Maybe later on we will do the separate. Okay, so what we're gonna do now next we will a bit modify this panel. I will close all the panels I don't need it, I mean the windows, and let's modify this panel. So what do you think till now, guys? Is it something new for you, or you know everything about that? So it's a really interesting question, because sometimes I think you know everything and you don't need some Revit tutorials, you already know everything. Of course, no worries, guys. All my streams you will see on my channel, so I not delete anything, even if I'm doing really some bad things, you know. Everything for you guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now I wanna make void, but I wanna create some interesting void. So let's make it on the plan view. Not this one. I wanna close this. Where's my panel? Aha, my panel is here. So I want only the floor, and how I can make it interesting, let me think. I want to create something like that. Maybe we can create just give me a second, I'm thinking. No, I not will change panel, I will change the window. We will change it here. Let's make the void again, and we will create here some extrusion like this, like that, and like that. Triangle one. Let's do the trim. Now I need only support lines. I need some supporting lines here. Let's make the one more supporting lines. Okay, I need only dimension between that and that one, so it's 100 millimeter. No, I don't wanna make it from these lines. I want make from this and that, so 8 millimeters, done. This is what I want. Let's connect now this one to that side and lock it, and this one to that side and lock it. Okay, and now I need one more dimension from this side to that side. 25 millimeters. Okay, so awesome, we did it. Now, for example, if I wanna change, can I change? Let's make it like 20 millimeters. So it's working. Okay, and this will be not a panel. This one I will change group. I will change the group. This will be other one, and this will be like let's call it extrusion, or let's call it like voids. Okay, and let's make it type 1. Okay, done. Let's make the this one I will change later on. Let's say okay. Now again to 3D view, everything about 3D view. Now we should use the align, and we will align to our panel. Okay, like this and like that, and lock it. And of course we should cut it. Where is my cut? Or join? Oh no, I cannot make it inside this one family. I should go to the inside other family. Okay, so it's not a problem. Let's go to the inside to the other family. I forgot, I did it not in family with the panel. I did it in family with the window. So it was my mistake. Anyway, let's go to the void. I will do it fast. Sorry guys. Like one line. Let's mirror this line. Let's make one more line. I need now supporting line. I need dimension. 70 it's too much. Let's make it only 5. Now let's connect this one to that line, lock it, and this one to that line, lock it. Let's make it a bit smaller. Let's use dimension, and our dimensions will be again the other one, void. Let's make it instance one. Let's say okay. No, it's not will be instance. Or it will be instance. It's okay. We will leave instance. Instance one, and the height of that one I will change later on. Let's go now to 3D view. Where is my thing? Aha, now it's working. Okay, let's extrude it. Now I wanna connect it. Connect. And connect this side too. I said connect and lock it. Okay, done. So now what I wanna use only the reference side, and let's go inside to that one. It's working. Now I need only distance for that one. Okay, it's also will be other one, and it will be distance void. And let's make it instance too. Okay, and one thing, let's say okay, one thing more, we need to create the parameter for our void, because we know the extrusion it's 250 millimeters. We will leave like that. Later on we will change. Let's load it inside to our family. Let's overwrite it. Let's check it out. Where's my... it's here. On the other side. Oh my god. Okay, let's change inside to our family, because here it will be more faster. Let's change here. I wanna mirror it, or no, it's okay. I will rotate it. Oh, really was waiting for one stream to express. welcome guys. Don't forget, if you have some questions, you can write me your questions on my email or some comments, and for sure I will try to answer you, no worries about that. I'm trying to help you because as you know, it's like a karma. If you helping to someone in one day, they will help to you, right? So I believe in karma. Okay, so here 25 millimeters, and let's make now minus 25 millimeters. Minus 25 millimeter. Let's say okay. It's not working. Oh, no, it should be working. Let me do it one more time. Okay, we will do like this. It's okay. Let's make it 20 millimeter, or maybe 5 millimeter only. Yeah, working. Okay, let's leave it like that. Let's load inside to the project. Let's say okay. Let's check it out. Is it okay or no? Yeah, it's working. Let's load it inside to our family. Alright. 3D view. It's here, as you can see. Now let's check it out. Here is the parameters. Void only 5 millimeters. Let's change it to 25 millimeter. Let's apply. As you can see, we get this thing. Also, if you are not lazy like me, right, you can create the parameter of this angle, and you can change, for example, the angle of this side. So only up to you guys. The void, our void will be equal to the which parameter? Let me think. The void is going to here. Extrusion. No, it's not will be any. Oh, we can make it extrusion parameter 25 millimeters. No, we will leave like that. So we will leave like that. You can make, for example, here like let's say 10 millimeter. Let's make it 10, and you can see we get this thing, like you can see here. Yeah. We will work on these small details, because as you know, the cyberpunks is also it's all about the small details. And of course, we're starting from the something, and now we are working on the small details. And after that, we will create the frame of this window, and we will create also these frames. So, as you understand, this is a long time project, but I think this is really interesting. Okay, let's go back. So we finish with the one thing, and let's make this thing on the left side too. Actually, I need one more parameter. I will go back. I need the back view. Or no, I will use the reference plane. Here is this triangle. Let's go inside to this triangle, and I need actually one more parameter. I need one more supporting line. Sorry, I wanna move it on my panel, right? So for that one, I will use dimension distance from this side, and it will be equal to which one? It will be equal to the 900 plus something. So we need again one new parameter. Oh, Chinese. I'm not understand Chinese. Only Canton. Oh, it's like a relaxing place. You something like that wanna say, right? Okay, so I will continue. New parameter. Let's call it new parameter, and this will be like again other. Let's use the other one. Distance, void, offset. Sorry, I have the caps lock. It's okay. Let's make it instance. Not. I wanna type one or instance. So let me think here. Yes, I wanna instance. Let's make it instance. Set instance. And it will be our frame plus frame divide by 3. Apply. Yeah, perfect. Let's change it out. Let's say here I have 800 millimeters. Oh, nice, it's working. So it will be like this. Let's load it inside to the project. Not project, I mean family. Let's overwrite. Now I will close again all the windows and I will go to 3D view. So let's check it out. So now it will be exactly always on the same distance. As you can see, now we have this parameter equal to our frame. So let's check it out, our frame. I will change my frame, it's R 700 millimeters. I will change for example, here I will say 1600 millimeters. Let's apply, and as you can see, it's also the moving. I will do it one more time. Let's make it 1200 millimeters. Apply. As you can see, it's also the moving, right? So cool. You now understand how it's working. So let's do 1600 millimeters. And now you understand how to create the same thing on the left side. I think you will do it already without me. So guys, the stream is already going to the 1 hour. I think it's a lot for you. You're already tired from that. I think we will continue the next time. Are you okay with that? I just need some comments from you. And don't forget about the likes, comments, and everything what you don't like to do, okay? Because without the comments, I not understand do you like my contents or don't. So if you want, right now I can share with you with this project. Maybe you wanna check it later on how it's working. Maybe you wanna understand, maybe you not understand some parts of that, and you wanna check it out how it's working. Just leave me a comment right now if you want. I will save it now and I will share with you right now. I will give you a few seconds. I will just drink a cup of tea. Sorry, just a bit tired. So, do you need this project right now? If yes, I will load it up. I think someone needed. Just a few seconds. I will save it. Yeah, don't forget guys, you should save your project always, because Revit not will do this for you. You know, Revit always thinking like you will do that. I will load inside to the project, and now I will save the project for you guys. But this project will be only in 2020, sorry, because now I have to move to 2020. So this is there is my lessons, no, not lessons, tutorials, and these tutorials will be like the number 4 stream. Okay, and I will save it like Cyberpunk 2017, why not 77. So let's save it here. And now I will load to the media file, for example, and I will share right now. Just give me a second. So how's that? Do you like it? Let me know. Just give me a second. Where is my I'm working on my other desktop, sorry. I just wanna save it. I hide here and save it here. Okay, is it loading? Yes, it's loading. Okay, few seconds. Copy link. Okay guys, here's the link. If you wanna, you can check it out. For now it's finished. Thank you for watching guys, thank you for coming for my tutorial. Don't forget about all my social media. I have my Instagram account, I have the channel, my Instagram or my Telegram channel, my Instagram channel, my YouTube channel. Don't forget also about my tips. I think most of the people don't know I have the daily tips. Just please check it out, my daily tips. Maybe you will find there really nice information. I will show you right now where's my daily tips. Really guys, some of the people finding it's really useful. Maybe you will find it too. So just give me a second. So here you can see my daily tips. You will find it. just go to the community and you will find here my daily tips. If you don't like use the YouTube to going to the community, you can go to my Instagram accounts and you will find it there. For today, guys, it's finished. Thank you for watching and see you next time as always. Bye bye, guys.